We're going to be checking out apartment 414 at the Assembly Apartments at Clipper Mill. As you walk in, you immediately notice all this beautiful wood and natural light. Full-size stackable washer and dryer right in your apartment home. A spacious eat-in kitchen with beautiful dark granite countertops. And again, you'll notice that natural wood throughout. This is actually historic wood from when the building was originally built in 1890. Plenty of cabinet space with additional storage and organizational tools inside. Nice deep soaking sink. And even a beautiful little window to let in some natural light while you're cooking. And again, you'll notice more of these original features. The steel beams, these beautiful skylights that let in tons of natural lighting. And as we head upstairs to your sleeping oasis, this cozy bedroom with, again, just oozing with natural light. The beam helps give you some separation so the bedroom feels a little bit more private. Spacious bathroom. With a nice soaking tub. And plenty of storage underneath for all your bathroom accessories. And again, even a nice little window, just perfect for getting ready for work in the morning. And then a walk-in closet with some organizational racks. You can always add more. Who wouldn't want to come home to this every day? Be sure to stop by Clipper Mill. We only have 2 apartment homes left.